Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix process exited with code 1 CMD error on Windows 11. First method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Second method is type regedit in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Click and expand H key current user, click and expand software, click and expand Microsoft. Click command processor, delete auto run. Third method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type sfc /scanno. Type dism /online /cleanup -image /restore health. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.